Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix the Face ID problems on your iPhone. So if your Face ID is not working, then you may want to follow these steps. So the first thing that you want to do is to go to the settings and check if there is an update available. So go to the settings and then click on General, and then in General click on Software Update. Click on it once and then here you will find the software updates that are available. If there is none, it means that your phone is up to date and that you have the latest version of iOS. Now, another thing you can do is to go again into the settings and then go to Face ID and passcode and check the settings of Face ID. Make sure that use Face ID for iPhone unlock is checked, iTunes and App Store checked, Apple Pay checked, and password autofill check. So this is a way to maybe get it working. You can uncheck it and check it again. You can also clean the true depth camera or just the camera. You can just grab a microfiber towel and clean it basically. And then you can also go and set up an alternate appearance. So go again into the Face ID and passcode section and then click on set up an alternate appearance. Now another thing you can do is to reset Face ID. So click on reset Face ID and it will just erase all the faces that have been memorized before and you will have to enter a new face. Now another thing you can do, this is the last resort or maybe the last resort, it is to contact the Apple support online. So click on your browser and then search for support.apple.com and then go to the Apple support, scroll down a bit until you find the support section, and then here you will find get the help you need and click on iPhone. Now once you click on iPhone, it will ask you what is your issue, either App Store shopping, passwords and security, update, backup and restore. Just scroll down a bit and click on more. Now once you have clicked on more, you will find the Face ID. So click on Face ID and then here click on continue. Then you will have to sign in to your account either with Face ID or with your username and password. But with Face ID, it doesn't work, so you'll have to continue with your username and password. Click on Sign In and then select your device, and that's it. The Apple support team will contact you soon. Now, exactly for the last resort is to go see a repair shop or just go to the Apple store and give them your phone so that they can repair it. Because if all of these steps didn't work for you and didn't solve your problem, then the problem may be in your hardware, maybe in your true depth camera or in your camera or in your screen. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.